Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 1, that is computer and its parts. So in this chapter we are going to study about the main parts of a computer. So there are different parts like CPU, keyboard, monitor, a keyboard and mouse. So some outer parts also like some output parts are like printer and many others. So let's begin with this lesson. Here we are going to study about the parts of a computer and the other parts of a computer, that is some extra part of a computer like speakers and all. So here a computer is an electronic machine which is used to do different kinds of work like play games, watch movies, send and receive messages. So कंप्यूटर क्या है? आपका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन है जो किस लिए यूज होती है? सबसे ज्यादा गेम्स खेलने के लिए यूज होती है. Can play games on it, you can watch movies, you can do your typing work, you can do make your paintings and you can do many more things. So you can send and receive messages on it also. It is used almost everywhere like schools, homes, shops, offices, banks, hospital, etc. You can see computers everywhere in this, everywhere in today's world. Like you can see in schools, libraries, schools, hospitals, and many other places. So like our body, it has many parts which together form a computer system. Like our body has many parts, same as the computer also has different parts. So let's begin. Our laptop gets heated very quickly, so we should be careful while using it. Yes, that is the laptop that you put on your lap. It gets heated very quickly. So when you are using, you should be very careful. So here are the parts of a computer. Like our body has different parts like hand, ears, nose. So as computer also has different parts like monitor, desktop, that is known as monitor, desktop, CPU, mouse, keyboard, and many others. So, what is monitor? A monitor is like a TV screen. This is the monitor which gives you the output. So, it displays the output on the screen. सारा output कहाँ display होता है? आपको screen पे display होता है. Whatever you type using keyboard or draw using mouse can be seen on the monitor screen. The things that you type using the keyboard, the things that you draw using mouse, you can see those things on your monitor. Now there are monitors of different types, LCD and LED monitors. So what is LCD? LCD stands for liquid crystal display. It is a flat screen. उसी flat screen तो होती है computer screen की तरह, but it takes less space and consumes less electricity. ये बहुत कम space लेता है और कम electricity consume करता है. Now what is LED? LED stands for light emitting diode. It is light in weight. ये बहुत हल्की होती है weight में and thin in size होती है. It consumes 40% less power as compared to LCDs. LCD से भी कम 40% less power आपका वो use करती है. Now let's talk about a keyboard has many buttons which are called keys. इसमें बहुत सारे buttons, इसे क्या कहते हैं? Keys कहते हैं. It is used to type letter, words, number and special symbols. Through computer you type letters, words, numbers and different symbols, special symbols. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. इसमें कितनी keys होती है? 104 keys होती है एक standard keyboard में. It is used to enter data into a computer as input. ये किस लिए use होता है? Data input करने के लिए आपके computer में input की तरह. Now what is CPU? That is known as the brain of a computer. CPU stands for central processing unit. It is called the brain of the computer. It controls all the parts of a computer. ये computer के सारे parts को control करता है. It has a large memory which helps it to remember things. इसमें एक बड़ी सी memory है जो किससे help करती है? चीजों को याद करने के लिए, रखने के लिए help करती है. Now let's talk about mouse. A computer mouse has two or three buttons on it. There is a right and left button and a scroll wheel. So it is used to point, move and select any item on the monitor. By using mouse, you can select the items on your computer screen. You can move them on your computer screen. So it helps us to play games and draw pictures. With the help of mouse, you can play games, you can draw pictures. When we move the mouse, a pointer also moves on the monitor. जब हम move करते हैं mouse को, pointer भी move करता है monitor पे. Now here, assess yourself. Match the parts of a computer to their task. माउस किस लिए यूज होता है? मूव करने के लिए। मॉनिटर किस लिए यूज होता है? डिस्प्ले करने के लिए। वी यूज CPU फॉर processing. We use keyboard for typing. Besides these four main parts, there are some other parts of a computer which can be attached to it for different purposes, like printer. We can attach printer for a different purpose, like if we want a hard copy, we attach printer. There are different types of printer: dot matrix printer, laser printer, and inkjet printer. So here, a printer is used to print the text or pictures on paper. ये किस लिए यूज होता है? प्रिंट करने के लिए टेक्स्ट को, पिक्चर्स को पेपर पे. It can print both in black and white or in colored. आप print कर सकते हो black and white में भी, colored में भी. The printed copy on a paper is called the hard copy. जो printed copy होती है आपके पेपर पर, उसे क्या कहते हैं? We call it as the hard copy. There are three types of printer. तीन तरह के printers होते हैं आपके: dot matrix, razor and inkjet printer. Now let's move to the next page. Now let's talk about headphones, to which we listen the audio while we listen the music. So headphones are used to listen music as well as recorded sounds. With the help of headphones, we listen the music and the recording sound without disturbing others. Headphones are also known as earbuds or earphones. We call headphones as earbuds or earphones. Now let's talk about speakers. Speakers help us to listen music stored in a computer. ये किस लिए यूज होता है? जो म्यूजिक हमारे कंप्यूटर में स्टोर्ड है उससे हम सुन सकते हैं. These are connected to the CPU with a cable. ये CPU से connected होता है केबल के थ्रू. Now microphone. Microphone is used to record our voice. ये किस लिए यूज होता है? हमारी वॉइस को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए एंड डिफरेंट साउंड्स को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए कंप्यूटर में. Using microphones, we can also talk to our friends. Microphones का यूज करके हम अपने फ्रेंड से बात कर सकते हैं. So internet. Computer have a CD-ROM drive that plays a CD. कंप्यूटर में क्या होता है? एक CD-ROM ड्राइव होता है जो क्या प्ले करती है? सीडी को प्ले करती है. When you want to play a CD, place it in the tray that pops out when you press the button on the tray. तो आपको अगर सीडी रखनी है, आपको सीडी प्ले करनी है, तो आपको क्या करना होता है? उसको प्ले करने के लिए आपको सीडी को प्लेस करना होता है अपने सीपीयू में. सो एक से पॉप आउट होती है जब आप एक बटन को प्रेस करते हो, तो वहाँ पे सीडी रखनी होती है. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट यूपीएस, अनइंटरप्टेड पावर सप्लाई, जो क्या हेल्प करता है जब आपकी लाइट कनेक्शन ब्रेक हो जाता है कंप्यूटर से, तो एकदम से आपका सिस्टम अपना इसमें हेल्प करता है. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. It keeps the computer working for some time even after the electricity goes off. आपका सिस्टम जब भी चलता रहता है जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चली जाती है. Now let's talk about pen drive. Pen drive is a small storage device that is used for transferring data from one computer to another. So what is pen drive? एक small storage device होती है जो किस में हेल्प करती है ट्रांसफर करने में डेटा एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे सिस्टम में. So it is also known as flash drive, thumb drive or jump drive. We call pen drive as a flash drive, thumb drive and jump drive. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all liked the explanation of this lesson. So here is one more point. Laptops do not need a UPS. Laptops को UPS की नीड नहीं होती. The battery of laptops provide power backup. जो बैटरी होती है लैपटॉप की वो प्रोवाइड करती है power backup. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a good day. See you in the next class.